Barcelona's skyline shone brighter than ever as the Sagrada Familia celebrated a historic milestone, 100 years after the death of its visionary architect, Antoni Gaudí. Thousands gathered for an evening of faith, music, and light as Pope Leo XIV inaugurated the basilica's newest landmark, the Tower of Jesus Christ. The 172.5-meter tower now crowns Gaudí's unfinished masterpiece, making the Sagrada Familia the tallest church in the world. Following a solemn mass, the pontiff blessed the towering spire dedicated to Christ the Redeemer, calling on future generations to embrace its message of salvation and hope. Spanish and Catalan leaders joined members of the royal family and church officials for the landmark ceremony. As darkness fell, the basilica transformed into a canvas of light. Illuminated columns, soaring ceilings, and music filled the vast interior, designed by the architect often called God's architect. A drone spectacle paid tribute to Gaudí's legacy, tracing his likeness above Barcelona and displaying one of his guiding principles: first love, then technique. The inauguration marks a defining chapter in the century-long construction of the basilica, a project Gaudí devoted more than 4 decades of his life to before his death in 1926. A commemorative plaque was unveiled to mark the blessing, forever linking Pope Leo XIV to the tower's inauguration. And with fireworks lighting the Catalan sky, the Sagrada Familia celebrated not only a new tower, but a century of enduring faith, artistry, and the vision of Antoni Gaudí.